doing?
Hello.
What is it?
Perfect.
It's perfect. Good.
Shot.
Uh-oh, she needs a shot.
Owie. Owie.
Is she okay?
No.
No. Gotta put the Band-Aid on. Oh, she's better now? Oh, good. Oh, she got another boo-boo there? Oh, hey, Violet. Why don't you check her ears?
What?
Check her ears. Make sure she looks okay. Yeah? Let's look at the other one. How do they look? How do her ears look, Violet? They look... Really? They're better?
Yep.
Oh, good.
There
There were no potatoes?
no.
What's that? Oh, do you take her temperature with that? You don't take her temperature there. Don't you take it in her mouth? You don't get your temperature taken very often, do you? Say,
I do though.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. When I'm sick, I do a lot.
How often are you sick?
You like never get sick, so.
How often do you get sick? Do you get sick a lot?
No.
Nope.